Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to approve a test case on Trello. It's a simple but useful way to manage your QA or development workflow. So let's get started. First, open Trello.com and log in to your account. After that, go to the board where your test cases are handled. Usually, you will see lists like To Test, Testing in Progress, Review, and Approved. Now, find the card that represents the test case you want to check. Click on the card to open it. Inside the card, you will see all the important details, such as test steps, expected results, attachments, and sometimes screenshots or screen recordings. Next, start reviewing the test case. If everything looks fine and the test case has passed successfully, scroll down to the comments section and add a short note like "Test case approved" or "Passed QA review." You can also tag your teammates using @mention to keep everyone informed. After that, move the card to the approved list by simply dragging and dropping it, or you can use the Move option from the card menu. To make the process more clear and visual, you can also use labels. For example, use green for approved, yellow for pending, and red for failed.